Are you tired of feeling sluggish? Want to kick your diet up a notch and feel fantastic? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the realm of superfoods. We're talking about the unsung heroes of the nutrition world, the ingredients that'll make you feel like you've got the energy of 1,000 suns. Get ready to transform your plate and your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. First up, we've got Spirulina, a blue-green algae that's more impressive than a perfectly seared scallop. This stuff is packed with more protein than a steakhouse, making it a dream come true for all you vegetarians and vegans. Spirulina is also bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have shown that this little algae can lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even boost your immune system. You can easily add spirulina powder to smoothies, dips, or even sprinkle it over your salads. It's got a slightly earthy taste, but nothing a little lemon or ginger can't handle, so ditch the protein shakes and embrace the power of spirulina. Next, we're talking about chia seeds. And no, I'm not talking about those clay pets you had as a kid. These little seeds are like the hidden culinary gems, small but mighty powerhouses of nutrition. They're loaded with fiber, which is more important for your digestion than a good set of knives is for a chef. Chia seeds are also bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, those heart-healthy fats that are essential for brain function, reducing inflammation, and keeping your ticker ticking like a well-oiled machine. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even use them to make a healthy pudding. Trust me, these little seeds are a culinary chameleon, ready to elevate your dishes and your health to a whole new level. Now let's talk about Moringa, a plant so packed with nutrients it should be illegal. This ain't your average leafy green, folks. This is like the king of all superfoods, with a crown made of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. We're talking about a plant that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat everything from inflammation to digestive issues. Studies have shown that Moringa can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation throughout your body, and even protect your precious liver from damage. You can find Moringa in powder form, capsules, or even as an oil. Add it to your smoothies, soups, or even your morning cuppa for an extra nutritional kick. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Listen up, you lot. We're about to delve into the wonders of hemp seeds, a nutritional powerhouse that's about to rock your world. These little seeds are like the complete package: protein, healthy fats, fiber, you name it, they've got it. Hemp seeds are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. Sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or even toast them up for a crunchy snack. Trust me, you'll be hooked on their nutty flavor and the incredible health benefits they bring to the table. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the world of Camu, a fruit so high in vitamin C, it'll make an orange weep with envy. This little berry packs a serious punch, boasting more vitamin C than a whole citrus orchard. Studies have shown that this powerhouse fruit can help reduce inflammation, protect against chronic diseases, and even give your skin a healthy glow. Add it to your smoothies, yogurt, or even your morning glass of water for a tangy, vitamin-packed boost. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Right, let's get down to business with Maca root, a Peruvian powerhouse that's been used for centuries to boost energy, enhance libido, and balance hormones. This ain't your average root vegetable, folks. This is like the energy drink of the Andes, but without the jitters and crashes. Maca is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress, like a culinary master adapts to a last-minute order change. Studies have shown that Maca can improve mood, boost energy levels, and even enhance athletic performance. And for all you fellas out there, Maca has been traditionally used to enhance libido and improve fertility. You can find Maca in powder form, capsules, or even add it to your baking. Trust me, this root is a game changer, ready to elevate your health and well-being to a whole new level. Listen up, you Muppets! We're about to unlock the power of Sacha Inchi, a seed so packed with omega-3 fatty acids it'll make a salmon jealous. This Peruvian gem is like a culinary chameleon, adding a delightful crunch to your dishes while delivering a hefty dose of brain-boosting, heart-healthy fats. Studies have shown that Sacha Inchi can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even improve cognitive function. You can find Sacha Inchi seeds roasted and ready to snack on, or opt for the oil, which adds a delicate nutty flavor to salads and sauces. Trust me, this is one ingredient you'll want to add to your culinary arsenal. Now let's talk about sea buckthorn, a berry so vibrant and packed with nutrients, it looks like it was plucked straight from a Michelin-starred dessert. This little powerhouse is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a true superstar in the world of superfoods. Sea buckthorn is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as essential fatty acids that are crucial for healthy skin, hair, and nails. You can find sea buckthorn in various forms, including juice, oil, and capsules. Add a splash of the tangy juice to your smoothies or drizzle the oil over salads for a nutritional and flavorful boost. Listen up, you lot. We're going back in time with Amaranth, an ancient grain that's been feeding civilizations for over 8,000 years. This ain't your average grain, folks. This is like the culinary ancestor of quinoa, boasting a nutty flavor and a nutritional profile that's off the charts. Amaranth is naturally gluten-free, packed with protein, fiber, and an impressive array of essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and manganese. You can cook amaranth like you would quinoa, using it as a base for hearty salads, a side dish, or even a breakfast porridge. Trust me, this ancient grain is a culinary chameleon, ready to add a nutritional and delicious twist to your everyday meals. Alright folks, we're finishing strong with black garlic, a culinary masterpiece that's been aged to perfection. This ain't your average garlic, folks. This is like the rock star of the allium world, with a deep umami flavor and a nutritional profile that's about to blow your mind. Studies have shown that black garlic boasts twice the antioxidant power of regular garlic, making it a potent weapon against free radical damage. You can add black garlic to sauces, spreads, or even enjoy it straight out of the jar. Trust me, its sweet and tangy flavor will elevate your dishes to gourmet status, and your body will thank you for the antioxidant boost. So there you have it, you lot. 10 incredible superfoods that deserve a place on your plate and in your life. Remember, these superfoods can be a great addition to your diet, but always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes. Now go forth and conquer the grocery store, armed with the knowledge and inspiration to create delicious and nutritious meals that'll make you feel like a culinary champion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which superfood you're excited to try. See you in the next video.